2014 Ford Explorer 3.5 tune-up. Walk you kind of through this. So some videos show you have to pull this off from the back. You can just get it right here. Some people are taking this off, but when you take this off, it comes off and you just pull a little vacuum. People on the internet are showing you have to get a pry tool. You just pinch this with your finger like this. Try to do it with one hand, and you push together, and you can push it right. You don't need to use a pry tool at all. You push these two little clips together with your fingers and just push back, and it just slides right back, and then it slides right back together. So you don't have to use a pry tool, so you don't break it. There's an 8mm, 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 and one right here. Now, no one talks about the one. This right here goes to the intake. You just push this back, forwards up, and it slides. I'll show you like this. Push it back and lift up like that, and then it locks. Very easy. But no one's talking about this bolt that goes right through the back of the intake. You can see it right. Let me see if I can get it clear for you. Right, you can see it lift up right there. A little 8mm bolt is hidden behind there. And once you get all that, it lifts right up. Then the coil, you just press this red thing up, pinch it, give it a little wiggle back and forth, a little nice little tug, and it pops right up. Set it back in firmly. Don't press from here or press in the back of the wire. Press on the whole connector and hear it clip, and then push that down. 8mm, pull it out, put some anti-seize in the spark plug, put it back down, maybe some grease for the spark boot, slide it back down, 8mm, tighten it, spark plugs, run them in, and then give them a nice little, you don't want to try to break them off and you don't want them loose. Pretty simple motor. You could have it done in about 30 minutes or less.